This video covers how to create an SMS campaign. With over 90% of messages read within 3 minutes of receipt, SMS is an extremely attractive and cost-effective channel for customer engagement. For example, a makeup brand wants to increase quarterly sales by offering a free gift to its customers when a purchase is made either in-store or online. They run an SMS campaign for this promotion through CleverTap. The key components of the campaign that need to be defined are the target user group, the send time, and the content of the message. To set up SMS before creating a campaign, integrate your SMS provider of choice. CleverTap partners with top SMS service providers throughout the world. To create an SMS campaign, click on Campaigns in the main navigation. Click on Plus Campaign. Select SMS under Mobile Channels from the Channel Selection page. Since this is a one-time unique promotion, select One-Time Campaign Type. For scheduling, let's select One Time as the message type, and choose the campaign start date and time to Now. Click Continue. We want to cast a wide net for this campaign, so we'll target all users for our segment. Select All Users and hit Continue. Finally, go on to the next step that involves setting up SMS message content. We can type our message in the text box. The SMS notification body can be personalized for every user based on specific user property or event property values. For example, we can add the subscriber's name by invoking the personalization menu by typing @ in the text field. Select the name field and enter a default value. Once the content of the campaign is set up, we have the option to send a test MS notification to any mobile phone number of choice with country code. Click the Send a Test SMS link. Once the testing is complete, click Continue to the Overview page. View the campaign summary and click the Schedule Notification button and give the campaign a name. Campaign analytics can be viewed for the CleverTap dashboard. Click on Campaigns from the main navigation and select a campaign to view its report. This report allows the monitoring of campaign performance and includes metrics such as campaign deliveries, engagements, conversations, and errors. This is how an SMS campaign can be quickly and easily created with CleverTap. That concludes our demo. For additional information, please contact sales@clevertap.com. Thank you.